Okay, let's update you again on the storms. It's 2:15, and the lightning's getting closer to the city. You can see, look at all this lightning here. Over 100 strikes just west of New York City, and even one out east in Brentwood, and another one around Ronkonkoma. But this storm here is the one to watch because this is the one with the tornado warning on it. And we'll go ahead and go to the enhanced radar right here. The tornado warning is still there. Um, Let's take a look at this enhanced radar so you can see what we got. I'll actually have to update the other radar as well. This is the top of the rock camera here, kind of trying to show you what's going on here. I mean, you don't see too much lightning on this camera, which is kind of surprising considering all the lightning I'm seeing detected by lightning maps. I don't quite understand that. But anyway, this is the storm right here, and it looks like it's Florham Park, Livingston, that general area there, Florham, and Morristown is under this tornado warning. Everybody else under the severe thunderstorm warning for, again, most of the city now. I think Brooklyn is included now, and I think it's only a matter of time before Queens gets added. This line is not nice to look at all. Let's go to the AccuWeather radar here. We'll also look at the Ventus Sky radar as well. So here's the storm right here, and yeah, this thing's still holding together strong, and you can see it's moving closer and closer to the city now. So Manhattan is over here. Then we have this cell over here that popped up over Suffolk County with looks like some really heavy rain right around Islandia. Looks like they're getting pounded. Islandia, Ronkonkoma, you're going to get into that. That's a nasty cell too, but there's not a ton of lightning with that. It's this storm right here that's really just putting out a lot of lightning. Let's go ahead and look at some of the cameras again and figure out why we're not seeing the lightning on them, because we most certainly should be now seeing the lightning on them. This is the New York Harbor camera, and yeah, there we go. We're finally seeing the lightning, finally. But you can see, yeah, it's raining. The lightning's pretty frequent, too, you can see. And again, this tornado is rain-wrapped, so that's the problem. It's nighttime, it's rain-wrapped. You're not going to see it. You're only going to hear it when it's coming. If it is still indeed on the ground or has formed, because they haven't confirmed that there's a tornado there, but most certainly it is coming. Let's look at the top of the rock again, see if this is showing anything. Again, just don't see the lightning that much. I don't understand why we're not seeing the lightning on this. I wonder if it's live or not. Because we should be seeing the lightning on here, and we're not seeing any. We're hardly seeing any lightning, and I know there's a lot of lightning. So that just doesn't make any sense to me at all whatsoever. Let's go to the other camera that we have. Yeah, this one. You can see it is raining there. You see the rain. And there is the lightning flashing. So this one is picking it up. For some reason, some of these cameras, I don't know if they've got a filter on them. They just don't pick up lightning. I don't understand it. But this one is picking it up, you can see. But unfortunately, it's not facing the storm. The storm is off to the left over here, right here. It's just light rain right now. They're not really getting into the worst part of it yet. So let's go to some traffic cameras. Let's start with New Jersey. All right, so the storm is over here, that Livingston area. So now it's in Essex County. Isn't Livingston Essex County? If I'm not mistaken. I think it's Essex County. Try to find Livingston. It's up here somewhere, I think. I'm not too familiar with this part of New Jersey. Forgive me, please. All right, we have orange here. Let's see. Doesn't look like anything's going on too much over there. I think we're just not in the right spot. I think we're in the wrong. Yeah, Millburn Township. Here we go. So this is closer to where we're looking here. Yeah, this is where they're getting hammered right now. You can see the lightning. Camera's shaking pretty good. Let's see what we got here. See the lightning. Doesn't look like the rain is coming down too heavy in that spot. It might have moved on to the east. I think it's a little more to the east now, I think. It's a little more getting closer to Newark, I think. The storm. Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah, just look at how that camera is moving. And you can see the lightning. Wow. They're getting some incredible winds right now at Newark with the storm. Look at that. That camera is really shaking very, very violently. There's quite a bit of lightning there. So let's look at some observations, which I didn't show you the last time. Let's see if we can get this observation list to update here. Show some wind gusts, because those winds look pretty strong. Let's see, we got a 36 mile an hour wind gust here at Edison. It's got to be hitting Newark. And there's your tornado warning, still up on the map right now. 23 mile an hour wind gust. I know it's not that impressive, but the winds are stronger than that. Looking at that camera, the winds looked really, really strong on that camera. Let's go to Harrison here. So this is again in New Jersey. It is heading for you. It is heading for New York City right now. So, and we may still have a tornado on the ground. And now, wouldn't it be something if we had if we may have a tornado? Wouldn't it be something? And I don't think this has ever happened before, but a tornado in New Jersey crossing the river and going into Manhattan. You know, it's entirely possible. You can see all the lightning with this storm again. Let's go here. Wow, there's lightning. Oh yeah, it's more over Newark now. The lightning barrage is now over Newark. And again, we have this sellout on Long Island too. It's not a severe warning with that, but this one definitely has that severe warning, and there's a lot of lightning. Let's see if that tornado warning is still up. Let's go to the radar right now, and let's see if they finally got rid of it. Oh boy. Okay. It's still there, and this latest radar image is a little more concerning, actually, because now we could clearly see there's a hook here. Let's see. Okay, let's get this up to the. Come on. So slow. There's a hook right here. Yep, right there. So, let's go to the Vent2 Sky radar. We'll just go to this radar and get the latest on this. Oh, yeah, this doesn't look good. So there is a bit of a hook right here in this. Which means you could have some straight line winds here, and then there could be a tornado in here, right around Roselle Park, perhaps, and Union and Hillsdale. And this is all heading toward New York City right now. So they still have not dropped the tornado warning yet. Here's, again, another look at the radar. It's still there. It's still there. Look at that. That's got that comment. That's not good at all. That's a mesocyclone right there. So that's heading right for the city right now. Let's see what we got here. All right, 39 mile an hour wind gusts reported at Linden now. Got a 39 with a heavy thunderstorm, so 39 mile an hour wind gust. Still have that tornado warning in effect right now. Tornado warning. It's just a severe thunderstorm warning, but there is still red on the map, which to me indicates that there's still a tornado warning active right there in that area. All right, they did finally drop the tornado warning. However, I wouldn't be so sure that there isn't a tornado there so quickly yet. The tornado warning has been dropped, but this is still a very, very dangerous storm. And now we are under a severe thunderstorm warning here in Nassau County. So Nassau County now under a severe thunderstorm warning until this is 3:15 a.m. 3:15 a.m. Thunderstorm with a line extending from arts. This is all now Western Suffolk County as well. We're under it until 3:15 a.m. Severe thunderstorms will be around Jamaica and Yonkers around 2:40 p.m. White Plains and Long Beach around 2:50 p.m. All right. Damaging wind, continuous clouds, ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. All right. So intense rainfall as well with these storms that are moving in right now. Let's look at the latest with the lightning here, and you can see there's still a lot of lightning here. These storms are not losing any steam at all whatsoever. Let's let's go to the radar right now. Also, let's go back to some camera views and see what the heck is going on out there. So, yep, there you go. It is coming down. You can see, so the storm has arrived in New York City. You can see that heavy rain is coming down. I don't see too much shaking of the camera. Oh, there's some lightning right there. And I don't see too much shaking of the camera yet. And no, I'm not going to go outside in Mineola at 2:30 in the morning to watch this thing. Because I'm going to get soaked and it's not safe. So that's not happening. But you can see there's a lot of lightning here. Now it's coming down. There you go. So it looks like you can see the rain. Let's see the top of the rock camera. Let's see if we can get a look at that one. I gotta find it. There it is. This is looking down. Yeah, I don't know. It just doesn't show the lightning. Or you can see it's like so dim. Oh, there you go. All right, there you go. You're getting some lightning now. But yeah, this is the storm that's heading toward the city right now. And it is a nasty one coming in. Actually, I don't think the rain has arrived yet in Midtown. It's definitely in the lower part of Manhattan. You can see it right now. But, yeah, these storms are, these storms are going to mean business. Let's see if we can get some more cameras. Let's see if we can get that New York Harbor camera up. Can't really see much of anything out of that now because of the heavy rain. You can see the lightning. Its quality is not very good, but you can definitely see that it is pouring, and we've got a lot of lightning going on. Let's try Coney Island. It has not hit Coney Island yet. But I have a feeling this ain't going to pick it up either. Some of these cameras... Oh, there you go. You are seeing it. So we are seeing the lightning here, too, as well. All right, let me go back to the lightning detector here. And again, we have lightning strikes all over. So it's all breaking out now. One here in Hicksville, another one here. So if thunderstorms are imminent, if you're on Long Island, you're going to be getting some thunderstorms right tonight. And again, got all the lightning here going on. I think the lightning detector is just overloaded right now. I'm going to have to close the page down. But let's refresh this radar here. See where these cells are at. All right, so here's the line coming into New York City. This thing's still packing a punch. No tornado right now with this thing, but we do have another hefty storm around Smithtown and another round around Islip. Let's go to 511 New York and take a look and see what's going on out there, because I know we haven't. All right, let's Smithtown and Smithtown right over here. Yeah, let's see. Doesn't look like anything too much is going on around there. Let's go over here. Oh yeah, we're seeing the lightning over there. That's for sure. Definitely seen some lightning, but the storm is not nearly as bad as the one that's right now over the city. There's not actually a warning for this. There's not even a warning for this storm. So you don't see much going on over there. I'm sure it's heavy. All right, let's go to the... All right, so we got the weather service here. All right, so we're under severe thunderstorm warning. Yeah, you can see part of Suffolk as well. And this is just going to be expanded eastward. And then we have, again, these storms here. Tornado warning has been dropped. But we do have these storms over here, again, that we're going to have to watch out for. Again, you can see them right here. This storm here looks pretty bad, actually. But then we have this one here over New York City. So let me just wrap up here. We're going to just look at the lightning one more time. Let's do the lightning one more time. Let's see if we can get it to load. All right. Wow, look at all that. So, yeah, this storm is really unloading right now on New York City right now. There's a lot of lightning. The ones on Long Island aren't really producing that much, but that one is producing a ton of lightning. Let's get back over to the cameras here in the city, and we'll take a look at that one more time. Let's go back to the New York, where is it? We're going to look at the Ellis Island camera, too. Let's look at this one. It appears this one might have gone down because it's frozen. I don't see anything happening here. Okay, so let's go to the Statue of Liberty Harbor cam. All right, yeah, that's what's going on there. Yeah, is that hail? It almost looks like hail. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, that's quite a storm they're getting right now in New York City right now. Quite a storm. So you can't really see much, but you can see there's a lot of lightning going on. So if you're in the city right now, you're getting a good thunderstorm. And let's go back to the top of the raw camera here. I'm sure there's another better one I'm missing, but you can see how the visibility has decreased. So, yeah, they're in the storm now. You can see that. They're getting pounded right now. This camera just doesn't pick up all the lightning, unfortunately. But it's coming down, trust me. Yeah, there's a lot of lightning in the city right now. It's off to our northwest. Why do I have a feeling the storm is going to go to our northwest? There was Midtown 4K, but I think this faces the east. We could also look at the Highline camera as well. You can see, again, just, very, very heavy rain going on in New York City right now. Very heavy rain. So there could be some flash flooding with these storms, too, as well. Not just the lightning, but you got the heavy rain. All right, let's lastly, before I end this, let's just go one more time to the weather observations map. Let's update this. See what we got here. If we got any crazy wind gusts here to report. All right, still have that 39 mile an hour wind gust here. I don't see anything above that. But again, it's New York City, severe thunderstorm warning, Nassau County. So again, severe thunderstorms moving into the area. We'll look at the radar one more time before I wrap this up. And you can see here's the latest, and you can see that warning now covering all the city and Nassau County. So severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Nassau County. No more tornado warning, but this is still a severe thunderstorm that may have produced a tornado, so it could do it again. There's always the risk that could happen. So let's look at the radar here one more time, and then I'm going to wrap up this weather alert. All right, so here's the thunderstorm. Again, it's right now over New York. It's moved into New York City. Queens, you're going to be getting it, and by the time this video is done processing in Nassau County, you're going to be getting this probably around 3 o'clock or so, if it holds together for us. And then we have this other cell out in Suffolk County as well. So very active. Can't ever remember this actually had to happening at 2:30 in the morning, but here we are, 2:30 in the morning, talking about severe thunderstorms.